I took my friends backpacking for their first time, but we didn't want to just hike all day, so we made it a goal to do a catch and cook over the fire. Here's how it went. How we doing, boys? Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Got 2 lakes on the menu. Got the fishing rods, of course. We can catch some trout, feed the boys. It's gonna be a mission. Let's go. This is very nice.
How much we got?
Well, we got another mile or 2. Made it to the first lake, but it's really a reservoir.
They want to break.
Oh, they want to break.
Let's go.
So as I was saying, got another mile or 2 to where we're staying for the night. First things first, break out the rods, see if we can catch some dinner.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got some jerky, some melted peanut butter and jelly, M&Ms. Peanut. Electrolytes, baby. Any luck, buddy?
No. Maybe it's not the best. No. Oh yeah.
Oh. What happened?
What happened? Oh, I don't even know. It rebounded and hit my... Should we take a look? I'm fine.
He's fine, everyone.
Oh.
The big mama.
Wow. Splinter. Grow, baby, grow.
You gotta make sure this is
Oh. Where are you up on that? I want
Even like.
I've never had salami.
salami. Oh yeah.
Do you want to cook it?
Sizzle.
Oh, it's not focusing. Oh, you got it. No, look, the last piece. Oh, are you sure? Yeah.
It's sizzling, but
Just don't.
Oh. Oh yeah. Eat that.
Oh, cool. It's really good, huh? Oh, hell good.
Mm-hmm. Feel that? Feels like we're gonna catch fish today.
My phone's in here. Just be careful not to eat too much.
Chinese ass there.
PB&J.
It's up there now?
It's all nice and compact.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Don't worry.
So good.
Where that one of that one was like almost 20 feet.
What's in the water? Did they drop a water bottle? Potential.
We're heading to the next lake now. About 8 miles away from what we've heard at the trailhead. Some locals there. Everyone catches fish there. So hopefully that's one of us.
Did brother say 8 miles?
I say 8 miles, yep.
That is sick.
Finally made it to the lake. Hike ended up being a lot longer than we thought, or a little longer. About 5 hours. And now we're here at this site. We got it all to ourselves. So now it's time to fish, get some wood, make a fire, hopefully catch fish, throw it on the coals, have a feast. Ooh-wee. See it? Nice, man.
Brookie?
We measured this one's well over 10 inches, so we're gonna keep this. Got a few more to go to feed the fam. Let's get it done. Ooh-wee.
Smile now.
Yeah, boy. Only issue with our site is there's not any shade and wood's kind of sparse, so it's going to be kind of a challenge to find some wood. And once those clouds overhead pass, then we're just going to be cooking in the sun. So But it's already 3, so the sun will set in a few hours and we should be good. Got another one. Well done.
Nice.
Oh,
This one's a little fatter.
free dinner for me. The ground feels really comfortable right now.
This is what I'm sleeping next to. Nice little cow turd. Let's go. On the day.
Well, we got 3.
3 brook trout. Oh, nice and cleaned. Oh, how are my socks, dude? Pretty wet still.
Still good. It's okay, but that's all. Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's time to go, baby. Let's go.
This sucks.
Oh. Let's just hope no one peed in this last time they used it.
You have to say it. It's still not done yet, but it's gonna take a long time. You know, remember that one big...
These are cooking now.
They should be somewhere over there.
Oh god.
It should be there.
Ooh.
Did you clean it already? The pot?
Your pot?
Or did you use the pot?
I didn't use your pot.
Oh, okay.
Is it done? Here we go.
Fishes are still...
Delicious. Here we go. This man's hard work right here. Do the honors. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Thank you for cooking this corn.
Thank you for catching it.
Right here, bro. Look. Peel the bones off. Dude, this thing is like... Oh.
Oh shh.
What? What do you... No.
Dude, that bite just had tasted like it had sesame oil on it or something. Dude.
We have to eat it. Not too bad, honestly. Yeah.
Wow, this is actually really good. I think this might taste better than the one that I did last week.
I think brook trout tastes better than rainbow trout.
This tastes really good.
You had a rainbow trout?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
So it stayed warm for like almost an hour.
I don't remember, dude. I was just like on autopilot. This is probably the best. Yeah, this is the best trout I've ever ate.
Alright, you kill that.
That looks good. Oh, this guy just ate the head?
That's not bad.
Oh, you look like you're gonna eat it.
Last night was so cold. Well, that wraps up this adventure. We just have a 10-mile hike back to the car and we're going home. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I have a lot more videos just like this on the way, so watch out for those. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next one.